Speak English Podcast with Aisell and Abdul Rahman. Let's learn.
You say think, but they hear tink. Sound familiar? You say this, but they hear this. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the th sound in just 8 minutes. One secret technique, 2 types of th, and a bridge, a real bridge, between your tongue and American English. Stay with me. This one is going to change the way you speak. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English with Aisell, the podcast where real English meets real life. I'm your teacher, Aisell, and with me today, as always, my favorite student and co-host,
Abdul Rahman. And guys, I have to say, today's topic is 100% my story, because I used to say tink instead of think, and when someone asks me, total silence.
Abdul Rahman, you are not alone. And hey, if you are listening right now and you are not in your head, drop a comment and tell us, this is my problem too. Don't get me wrong, the th sound, it's tricky. It builds frustration. Frustration. نبرة على المقطع الثاني. But here's the key. In Arabic, there is no th sound like in English. So your brain, it uses what it knows, T, S, or D. That is called substitution. Substitution. استبدال صوت بصوت.
Okay, wait, Aisell, can you explain that in simple English? Why is th so different exactly?
Great question. Th means your tongue touches your teeth and air comes out. Think about it like this. When you say T, your tongue is here, behind your teeth. But when you say th, your tongue comes out, between your teeth.
Oh, so T is inside, but th is outside. That makes sense.
That is perfect. Write that down, everyone. And I want you, yes, you listening, to tell me in the comments, which sound is harder for you? Like think, or th like this? Be honest, no judgment here. Before the practice, I need to tell you about one important idea. It's called 2 types of th. First, unvoiced th. Unvoiced. نبرة على المقطع الثاني. In plain English, it means air only, no vibration. Vibration. اهتزاز. Like think. Think. 3. Air only. Put your hand in front of your mouth. Feel the air? Second, voiced th. Voiced. نبرة واضحة. This means air plus vibration. Put your hand on your throat. Feel the buzz? Like this, that, those. Air plus shaking.
Okay, I have to say, I made exactly this mistake. I used to say this instead of this for like 3 years.
Everyone has done this. And when you don't use vibration, your brain is not learning English. Your brain is just surviving.
Tell me in the comments, what word do you mix the most? Think? This? Thank? Write it below. Be honest.
Okay, practice number 1. And this one is my personal favorite. It's called tongue between teeth. You take your tongue, you put it out between your top teeth and bottom teeth. And here is the secret ingredient. While your tongue is there, blow air.
Practice number 2. Word drills and check your pronunciation. I need to give you a very important warning. Practicing wrong does not automatically improve you. If you pronounce a word wrong 20 times, you just trained the wrong habit 20 times.
Oh no. I think I did this with the word three for like 2 years. I was saying tree instead of three.
Yes, that is a very common one. So here is the right way. Step 1, listen to me. Step 2, repeat after me. Step 3, feel your tongue. First pair, think and tink. Notice the tongue between teeth on think. Abdelrahman, your turn.
Think, tink.
Good. Feel your tongue on think. Next pair, three and tree. Same R sound, different start. Your turn.
Three, tree.
Excellent. Next one is tricky. Bath and bat. The TH is at the end. Don't hide your tongue. Abdelrahman?
Bath, bat.
Perfect. Now, voiced TH. This and dis. Feel the vibration on this. Put your hand on your throat. Abdelrahman?
This, dis.
You are improving fast. I can hear the tongue position. But words are easy. What about sentences?
Oh no, here we go again.
In sentences, we flow, but we keep the TH tongue position clear. I will say a sentence, you repeat. First sentence, I think this is great. I think this is great. 2 TH sounds, one unvoiced, one voiced. Abdelrahman?
I think this is great.
Nice. Did you feel your tongue on think and this? Next sentence. Thank you for the beautiful weather. Thank you for the beautiful weather. 3 TH sounds. Your turn.
Thank you for the beautiful weather.
Good. One more. This is a tongue twister. 33,000 thoughtful thinkers. 33,000 thoughtful thinkers. Lots of TH here. Can you do it, Abdelrahman?
33,000 thoughtful thinkers.
Wonderful! You didn't mix them up. Listeners, if you did it too, give yourself a clap. You are speaking American English now. Okay, this is the most important part of today's episode, so I need you to really listen. Actually, pause me right now and get a notebook. I'll wait. Ready? Good. Here is your homework for this week. I want you to record yourself saying this sentence. I think the weather is better than yesterday. Send it to us in the comments or practice it 5 times every morning. Focus on the TH in think, the, weather, than. Wait, than has voiced TH. Don't forget the vibration.
I won't forget. Think the weather then. Got it. I said, what is next? Will we fix more sounds?
Yes. Next episode, we will tackle another hard sound. Maybe R and L or the American R? You will have to subscribe to find out.
Okay, so just to recap, tongue between teeth, 2 types of TH, word drills, sentence flow, and the bridge. Practice every day, out loud, with feeling. I'm doing this starting today. Who's with me?
I love it. And here is your homework. Go to the comments right now and write one word with TH that you want to master. I will reply to every single one. I promise. If this episode helped you, share it with one friend who is learning English, because the best thing you can do for your learning journey is find someone to practice with. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next episode of Speak English with Aisell. Take care, keep practicing, you've got this.